Izzy, what are you dressed as? You're dressed as your little horsey? What does the horsey say? Hey! Izzy say, I'm a pink pony for Halloween. Whoa! Crash landing. Good thing you have a big horsey in front of you. Turn around, show mommy. Izzy, show mommy. Come here. Whoa. Show mommy. What you got? Horsey? Say, what is it? Izzy, I need to get a good picture. Stay still. Is a horsey always running? Izzy, stay still.